DHX 150 cash price. 47,800 pesos down payment. 2,800 pesos description. Features leather seat, big fuel tank, fuel efficient, available colors black, red, blue, engine type 4-stroke. Single cylinder. Air-cooled bore and stroke 62x49 displacement 149 cc compression ratio 9.2. 4 fuel system carburetor cooling system air transmission 5 speed dimensions and capacity LXWXH 2020x710x1040 ground clearance 130 m fuel capacity 12 L dry weight 102 kg frame type front suspension 4 suspension rear suspension 4 suspension front wheel 2.75 15 rear wheel 2.75 17 front brakes drum brake rear brakes drum brake performance max output 7.89 kilowatts 8000 rpm max torque 9,611 Nm 7500 rpm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.